Hola! Ready to sound like a pro in Spanish conversations? Let's dive into 25 must-know phrases that will get you speaking with confidence. And don't forget to repeat after me for extra practice. Let's start with the basics. 1. Hola, which means hello. Please repeat after me. Hola. Great job. 2. ¿Cómo estás? Which means how are you? Repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás? Very good. 3. Muy bien, gracias, which means very good, thank you. Your turn. Repeat after me. Muy bien, gracias. Well done. Ordering food or drinks? No problem. 4. Por favor, which means please. Repeat after me. Por favor. Excellent. 5. Gracias, which means thank you. Please repeat after me. Gracias. Nice work. 6. Quiero un café, por favor, which means I'd like a coffee, please. Your turn. Repeat after me. Quiero un café, por favor. You're doing amazing. Lost in a new city? Try these. 7. ¿Dónde está el baño? Which means where is the bathroom? Repeat after me. ¿Dónde está el baño? Awesome. 8. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Which means how much does it cost? Your turn. Repeat after me. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Great pronunciation. 9. Necesito ayuda, which means I need help. Please repeat after me. Necesito ayuda. You're doing great. Making friends is easy with these. 10. ¿De dónde eres? Which means where are you from? Repeat after me. ¿De dónde eres? Fantastic. 11. Me llamo, which means my name is. Please repeat after me. Me llamo. Perfect. 12. Encantado, which means nice to meet you. Your turn. Repeat after me. Encantado. Way to go. And here are some handy quick phrases. 13. Sí, which means yes. Please repeat after me. Sí. Nice work. 14. No, which means no. Your turn. Repeat after me. No. Spot on. 15. Pardon, which means excuse me. Repeat after me. Pardon. Great effort. 16. Lo siento, which means I'm sorry. Your turn. Repeat after me. Lo siento. Excellent. 17. Está bien, which means it's okay. Please repeat after me. Está bien. You're crushing it. Now to impress at a party or event. 18. Salute, which means cheers. Your turn. Repeat after me. Salute. Very nice. 19. Me gusta, which means I like it. Please repeat after me. Me gusta. Wonderful. 20. No entiendo, which means I don't understand. Repeat after me. No entiendo. You're doing amazing. 21. Puedes repetir, which means can you repeat that? Your turn. Repeat after me. Puedes repetir. Keep it up. Finally, wrap up your day with 22. Buenas noches, which means good night. Please repeat after me. Buenas noches. Beautiful pronunciation. 23. Adios, which means goodbye. Your turn. Repeat after me. Adios. Excellent. 24. Hasta luego, which means see you later. Repeat after me. Hasta luego. You're doing great. 25. Gracias por aprender conmigo, which means thanks for learning with me. Your turn. Repeat after me. Gracias por aprender conmigo. Fantastic work! Practice these phrases daily and soon, you'll be chatting like a local. Explore our other videos in this series for valuable guidance on moving out of the United States in 2025. From detailed insights on the cost of living in various countries and learning essential conversational phrases in a new language, to discovering top relocation destinations, navigating the visa process, and much more. We've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.